Hello friends. Hello friends. Today we are going to see the for loops in the MATLAB. So basically for loop is used for the repetitive control of the structure, and if you want to perform the same operation number of times, then you can use the for loop. So syntax of for loop is as for index is equal to values, then some statements and end. So we are going to understand the for loop by three ways. So there are the three ways to represent the for loop. First is initial value as to end value. So the increment is start from the initial value to the directly end values. Here the increment is taken as a 1, positive 1. So if you want to progress the progress up to n value, then with some intervals, then you can use the second method, that is initial value as to step size as to n values. Suppose you want to perform the increment from 1 to 10 with increment of 2. So in that case initial value will be 1, step size will be 2, and n value will be 10. In case of first example, if you want to perform from 1 to 10 iterations, then it will be as 1 2 3 4 5 6 up to 10. In first case increment will be 1. In second case you have to define the increment, positive increment as well as negative increment. The third will be value array. It creates the column vector index from the subsequent columns. So we will understand these values from the following examples. So first is initial value to the end values. So example is for a is equal to 10 as to 20. We have to print the values from 10 to 20. So fprintf in fprintf value of a is equal to %d slash n comma a. So instead of %d you can use %f for the float values. Here we are dealing with integers, so that's why we are written here %d. What we have to print? We have to print a, so that's why comma a. So if you run the above program in MATLAB window, you will get answer from value of a, because we are printing the value of a %d. So instead of %d it will put 10, 11, 12, 13, because here the computer has taken the positive 1 increment. So from 10 to 20 increment will be 10, 11, 12, 13, in this way up to 20. So second example, if you want to perform the step size other than 1, other than positive 1, then you can use step size. So for a is equal to 1 s to minus 0.1 s to 0. That means from 1 you have to progress negatively up to 0 by 0.1. So first value is 1, last value is 0, and here decrement is taking place from 0.1. So we are displaying the answer, we are displaying the a, so display a, and so answer of this will be 0.1. So answer of this will be starting from 1. So from 1 negative 0.1, so 0.9, 0.8, 0.7, 0.6 up to 0. So in this way you can decrement the values. So third method to represent for loop is what? Array. So in this case we are putting the values in terms of column, that is 24, 18, 17, 23, 8, 28. We are putting in the value of matrix. So the respective value of a will be, if you want to display that value, it will be 24, 18, 17, 23, 28 in the column matrix. So this is the method of for loop we can use in the MATLAB. Thank you.